Fitness secret para magkaroon ka ng mas mabilis na progress. I'm Joms and I help men conquer the fear of rejection by mastering confidence. And dito sa video na to, we will talk about the secret that can supercharge your progress sa fitness journey mo. So, ano ba yung mga signs na hindi ka nagpo-progress sa workouts mo? Is number one, stagnant na yung progress mo. Hindi na nagbabago yung weight mo or hindi ka na lumalakas every time na nag-workout ka. Number two is because of that, you are having lack of motivation. So, hindi mo na nabe-break yung PRs mo, hindi na bumababa yung timbang mo. Hindi ka na nagkakaroon ng results. Kaya mababa na yung motivation mo. And number three is prone ka na to injuries. So, with that one, ayaw natin magkaroon ng injuries because this will halt your progress. Sobrang makaka-apekto kasi hindi ka makakabuhat. So, kapag nagtuloy-tuloy to na meron kang stagnant progress, lack of motivation, and lagi ka na nag-injury, is number one, you'll remain stuck at the same fitness level kung nasan ka ngayon. So, ayaw naman natin ma-feel stuck. Gusto pa rin natin na magpo-progress tayo palagi. Number two, you may experience frustration and burnout. So, kapag na-frustrate ka na, kapag nabu-burnout ka na, dito na lumalabas si intro boy mode. Yung tipong mag-quit ka na lang bigla kasi feeling mo wala naman nangyayari. Number three is, you'll miss out the full benefits of a workout. So, kapag hindi mo alam tong one secret na to, then, you're missing out. So, itong one secret na to, mahalaga to na malaman is because this will transform your fitness journey. And itong secret na to is applying progressive overload sa mga workouts mo. Ang ibig sabihin ng progressive overload is you're making sure that every workout is never the same. For example, sa squats mo, nag-squat ka ngayon ng 100 kilos, 3 sets, 10 reps each. Kailangan sa susunod mong squat, next day, kunwari, squat day mo is Monday. And then next Monday, kailangan you will try to beat your record. Hindi mo na gagawing same kung ano yung ginawa mo nun last time. So, applying progressive overload, pwedeng dalawa. Meron silang tinatawag na two-step pedestal progressive overload. Ang ibig sabihin nun is it's either you add reps or you add weight. For example, yun nga, nag-squats ka, 100 kilos, 10 reps each set, 3 set. So, next squat day mo, pwede mong gawin is 105 kilos naman and then 10, 10, 10 pa rin yung reps. Or, pwede mong gawin is stay ka sa 100 kilos pero gawin mo namang 12, 10, 10 yung reps. So, ganun siya. Two-step pedestal overload. Pwede mo siyang gawin magkasabay, add weight at add reps. Or, pwede rin naman tigisa lang muna. Add weight muna and then same reps lang. Pwedeng add reps pero same weight lang din. Alright? So, benefit nito is number one, you achieve faster and noticeable results. It's because kapag nagpo-progressive overload tayo, pinupush natin yung muscle natin to break down even more. Kumbaga hindi tayo nahabol agad ng body adaptability. Kasi kapag nasanay yung katawan natin, pag paulit-ulit yung ginagawa natin, masasanay yung katawan. So, mahahabol niya. So, kung every workout mo nagpo-progress ka, is mahihirapan siya makahabol, mahihirapan siya makapag-adapt. So, ang ginagawa lang niya is build lang siya ng build ng muscle para makahabol siya dun sa binubuhat mo. So, number two, you will feel more energized and motivated dahil every time na nakikita mong lumalakas ka, this will take a hit on your confidence, on your motivation na mag-show up pa sa gym. And number three is you build a stronger and healthier body, in which yun naman talaga yung number one goal natin. To have the strength, the aesthetics, and also the healthier body. So with this one, I want you to research more about two-step pedestal of progressive overload. Pero sinabi ko na sa inyo yung basics, yun lang rin yung ginagawa ko. You can apply this sa kahit anong workout, kahit anong exercise. Gym man yan, or home body workout, or calisthenics. Lagi silang may way in order for them to progress. So with this one, I hope this video helps you. Yun lang, let's go.